Well, hello there guys, and welcome back to my channel. And this video is going to be a chilly video, not too difficult things to understand about like the last video, because last video had a complicated big program, maybe your first big program like that. So if you have any doubts about that, you can just tell me. I'll make a proper explanation video again for you guys, trying to explain things better. Or you need another program like that, you can just tell me. So let's get to the video. So this video is about scopes of the variables, which basically means where the variables are available to. So say for example, we have a variable inside our main. Just avoid the rest, ignore the rest of the code right now. We have a variable m10 in main, declared in main. So this m variable will be available anywhere inside this main, but not outside it. So if I try to print this main outside, it will say that m is not declared. So let me just do that. I'm gonna try to print this in the add function, where this m is neither declared nor parsed nor declared anything. So I'm just gonna compile it quickly. And there's the error that the m was undeclared. So this m is not available to me inside the add. So these are the local variables. They are only available inside where they're declared. Like for example, if I declare a variable here, int g equal to 10, and if I try to print that g here, it will be fine. It will work properly, as you can see. See, it worked fine. It worked as it is supposed to be. So I'm gonna just print an x over here as well, because now we're going to get to that x thingy. So let's just get to that quickly. Okay, so here we go. Now this g is local variable, so it will be only available here and nowhere else. So now let's talk about global variables, which are declared outside of the main, as you can see over here. Now this variable will be available to me anywhere in my program. So as you can see, I have tried to print x over here, and thanks for highlighting for me over here as well. Let me just magnify the code a little bit. Now you can see it a bit better. So I have printed x over here and over here, and if I try to run it, it will work fine. Let me just show you. Just gonna run it and see, it printed me x5 for main right here, and then it printed me x5 for the add function right here. So it worked fine. Okay, the thing is now that the things to remember is that any local variable, any variable declared inside a block, is available to only that block and two blocks inside the block. So if we have a statement like if m equal to 10, this m is also available to me over here. So I'm just gonna quickly print this statement again. So now you will see m 2 times. I'm just gonna compile it and run it again, and as I said, it says m 2 times. So one is the from here, the next is m10 from here, next is x5 from here, then we get a5 from here, g10 from here, and x5 from here. And one more thing, if you have say global and local variables from same name, say if I have over here x equal to 10, the local variables are given a higher preference. So now the local variable will be printed. So see, it prints x10 over here from here, because the local variable is x equal to 10. It have same names, but it's possible you can do that. So it gives the local variable more preference, so hence it prints 10 over here instead of the global variable's value of 5. So, and over here, since there's nothing declared by the name of x, so it just prints the global variable. And about the block inside the block, some languages allows us to create variables anywhere between the program. Like Java, you can create a variable over here. So I create a variable over here, say O equal to 10, Now this O will be available to me only inside this block and not over here. I'm not gonna execute it because it's not possible in C. So that's this about this. Now we go for the parameters. There's one thing to learn about them. We have actual and formal parameters. So what you are passing is the actual parameter, and what you are receiving is the formal parameter, and any changes will take place in the formal parameter will not reflect to the actual parameter. So say if I was passing, instead of 5 I was passing m over here, and then I set r equal to say 10 over here, and then if I try to print m over here, as I will show you, there will be no change in m. I'm going to compile it, run it, and you can see, oh okay, so I'm just going to change this value to 11. Going to compile it again, run it. Now as you can see, it printed me m equal to 10 over here, 5, then it printed me a 11. Why? Because r was set to 11, so a printed the value of r 11. So hence you see the a11 over here. Then it printed me g is equal to 10 from here. Then it printed me x equal to 5 from here. Then it printed me again m equal to 10 from here. So I changed the value of r which received m, but it didn't reflect my change back to the m. So if I remove this value of r, you're just gonna see that the value of r is 10 now, because we passed m to it. So you can see that it printed a10, it printed this. So that's pretty much it for the learning in this video. You just need to remember that any changes take place in the formal parameter or receiving ones, not the actual or the passing ones. And the variable inside a block is available only to that blocks and the blocks inside that block. Global variables are available anywhere in the program. So that's pretty much it. I have made so many videos today to upload. I have yet to upload any of them. So yeah, that was fun. Anyways, I'm having really fun teaching you guys, because I thought about it since a way back, like a year before, that I should teach people, but finally I'm getting to teach people. So I really appreciate you guys if you're following this channel and following the video. If you're not, I really hope you do, because you can learn a lot of stuff from here. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm just gonna add my into my sellout mode over here now, because being sellout is not good, not good, not good. So anyways, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to teach you something really cool and really, not really complicated, but something cool. So thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.